Is your Mac cluttered, slow, making you crazy? Sometimes it can feel like you are in an action movie trying to find your essay in a pile of cluttered files. Where's my essay? It's due in 3 minutes. Nope, that's not it. Oh, wait, no, found it.
Happy birthday! Wow!
Nope, that's a video of me as a 10-year-old. All right, let's get to work. Okay, where do I save the file? Desktop or documents? Alright, there is no space here. These are memes. Oh my gosh, which one do I delete? There's so many. This one? No, wait, that one still had some potential. Okay, this one then. This one I don't need. Oh, why the hell is there crumpled paper sticking out of the bin? I'm done. Bye, see you never. Typing the first part of your essay is a soul-crushing experience itself. How can I be creative when there is so much clutter? Hash files are being created by the system and applications. Log files are growing in size. Unnecessary binary files keep taking up the space. Language files of the languages I don't speak still exist. The bin is never empty. Traces of uninstalled apps are still here. Files are never deleted completely. Service files are showing up on removable devices against my will. And the worst, trash is literally sticking out of the bin icon. That's a lot. Fortunately, with CleanMyMac X, you don't have to worry about organizing files because CleanMyMac X will do it for you. No more excuses will be accepted once you have CleanMyMac X. This will be the moment of truth when the chaos is gone and there's no more disturbing clutter impeding on my creative process trying to write this essay. Embrace the mess with CleanMyMac X. Alright guys, let's go through some of the most important features CleanMyMac X has. This helps alleviate every single one of my pains. It's improved my mental health. First off, let's talk about Smart Scan. When it comes to cleaning your Mac, Smart Scan and CleanMyMac X knows best. After all, it's called Smart Scan for a reason. Just load it up, click on Scan, and let CleanMyMac X do its thing. Smart Scan is a one-stop shop for all of your Mac cleaning needs. It has 3 superpowers: cleaning, speed up, and protection of your entire system. It can remove unneeded system files, clean iTunes and photos, clean Mail app, empty trash bins, scan Mac for malware, improve system performance, and when it's done with cleaning all of that, it will offer speed up tasks to make your Mac faster, like free up RAM or run maintenance scripts. Next up, we have optimization. Optimization spots and removes temporary files and broken items on your Mac. And don't forget, you can always go to review details before deleting and control what's about to be removed. To exclude specific files from the scan, open CleanMyMac X in Settings and click on Ignore List. Next up, we have Uninstaller. We all love those apps that we don't use anymore but forget to delete. Most Mac users usually drag an app to the bin to get rid of it. This method is simple, of course, but it leaves numerous remnants across your computer. With the Uninstaller module, you can find and safely remove applications with all of their components, including the ones that aren't in the applications folder. These components often start small service applications, bringing extra load on your computer's processor and memory. Thus, removing apps completely using Uninstaller not only saves disk space, but also makes your Mac even faster. Lastly, CleanMyMac X will notify you when large videos and files you have not opened should be deleted. Don't just take my word for it though. Thousands and thousands of users have left their positive reviews on why CleanMyMac X is their go-to. What I like about CleanMyMac X is that everything works better than the other apps that leave pieces of uninstalled software on my Mac, which CleanMyMac X finds and removes. The updater works like a charm. So are the optimization, maintenance, and malware removal. It's like everything what I need to clean and refresh my Mac after a long day of work and testing and installing and whatnot. Another reviewer writes, CleanMyMac X saved my marriage, doubled my income, and brought my mom back to life. Okay, so that second one wasn't true, but you never know. Maybe in the next CleanMyMac update. Check out CleanMyMac X for yourself and click on the download link in the description to try it out.